Hi everyone, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today I'm going to play around again with this Winter Friends stamp set by Trinity Stamps. I made a card using the little reindeer and the penguin, so I thought I'd use the little moose and the little puff in there and create another card. So let's take out this cute little moose image. So I could do the same thing as I did before, place the little guy on top of his back, but I thought maybe we could make it look like he's giving this guy a high five. So I'll stamp out the moose first. I'm using Memento Tuxedo black ink. So I want to position this little guy here so his little wings are touching his little paw. And he's kind of up on one little leg there. So I want to make sure that I have this little foot down straight. And I'm going to draw in some snow hills. Oh, I missed the mark there. Well, it looks like they're going to give each other a high five. So I think he's stamped good enough there. Let's see, I might want to add like a little ornament to his antlers. Maybe have this little star dangling. There we go. I think I want to color the ground with Copics. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use a B60 pale blue gray. That way I can create some shadows under their feet here. Now I can create some little hills behind them. I'm going to take a BG11 and add a little bit of this teal color in there, just for like a frosty look. BG70. Kind of just blend these two colors together with this lighter color. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Distress inks. I'm going to use Shaded Lilac And I'm just going to put some of that color along the edges here. And this is just going to like blend it for me without me having to use so much of my Copic marker. There, I really like that. And then I can work on the sky. Oh, I got a smudge there. I didn't even see that I did that. Let me take my colorless blender and see if I could erase that. So for the sky, I'm going to use my Distress inks for the sky. I want to do a darker sky so this doesn't look so dark. Blueprint sketch. What does evergreen bough look like? No, that's too much of a green. Peacock feathers and spun sugar. So I'll do the spun sugar around the little guys there. I'm going to wipe my brush off on a microfiber cloth between colors. So here I'm just going to get up really close to the image as I possibly can. I think my ink is drying out on this one here, but I can still get some on the paper. Okay, we'll add some snowflakes at the end. Right now, let's work on coloring up my images. So the puffin's nose looks like they have an orange, yellow, and black. So what I'm going to do is color his front of his nose orange. And then the sides I'm going to do yellow since we have black lines in there. And let's see what color his feet are. So his feet are orange. He's got a white tummy and a white face, and the rest is black. So I'll use my W7 and W5 for my black hair. To shade his belly, I will go in with BG70. And I'll blend it out with my colorless blender. We'll give him a nice red hat. We'll do his ornament in the same color red. I might as well do his scarf red as well. So let's see. I'm using R46, R27, and then I'm going to pick out a lighter shade of red. Let's see, we can do R17. So for the inside of his ears, I will do R01. It's just like a pinkish vanilla color. I'll add some pinkish vanilla to his cheeks. Maybe give him some pinkish vanilla there on his nose. And we will find a nice brown color. Oh, I forgot to do his Santa hat. So let's do that really quickly. And for his body, let's see. I will do E99, E97, and E95. It's a reddish brown color. We'll do his little hooves a darker brown. We'll match those up with his antlers. I've got E79, E74, and E71. A pinkish color for the stripe here, just to match the pink in the sky. That was RB25, and I'm going to do RB22 to blend it out. I'm going to brighten up those cheeks a little bit. Okay, now to add my sentiment here, and then I want to add some snow. So I'm going to do the snow off camera, just because I don't want to get paint splattered onto my lens. And this is how the snow turned out last time. If you go back and watch this video, I almost messed up this whole card. I started stamping out the snowflakes with this white ink that I haven't used, and it was like blobbing up, and I ended up sponging white ink to cover that up and then splattered the snowfall on there. And then it turned out really cool. So we'll see what happens with this one. So I'm going to do the snow, and then I'll stamp my sentiment last. I'm going to use this Simon Says Stamp Holiday Message Strips. I'm going to use the 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. I need a bigger sentiment since I didn't stamp a lot of images on my card there, so I want something to fill up the top portion of my card. I'm going to trim down my panel on this card to create a border around my panel. I'm going to use the VersaFine Clair. Now I want to add some more snowflakes, so I'm going to take out my Jelly Roll pen, and I'm going to make some bigger snowflakes. So I like to use this one. I do carry this one in the shop. And I'm just going to do some random snowflakes, different sizes, different shapes. And have some more snow falling down onto the snow here. And to our little critters. Now we can dress up this little sentiment by adding snow, like it's fallen right on top of the little sentiment there. So I'm just going to add some snow on top of random places. Being careful not to cover up the black line. So it kind of looks like the snow has just laid on top of that sentiment there. So now I'm going to cut my image down. So this is how my card turned out. It turned out really, really cute. So here's both of them. I could add some sequins like this one if I want as well. Super fun. So I'll have the supplies listed down below in the description box, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!